Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Dico video chat and meet application. So first of all, you need to install this app in your smartphone, then simply tap on the open button. So you can see this is the interface. So what you need to do, first of all, you need to create your account. So you can create your account with Google, with Facebook, and tap the more option. Then you can see here the email button. So it's easy to Google and Facebook. So I'm just going to tap on the Google button, so it takes few time. So I already tapped my account. So you can see here you have to choose your gender, confirm it. So start. Okay, so it's successfully created. So if you tap here start, then you can talk. Like if you tap here, this is your profile icon. So if you tap here get, then you will buy the coins through this here, and also VIP member, you can subscribe premium version to get the all feature. And how you find people, if you tap here left bottom corner, you can see here all the people is related to your profile. So once you choose the person, simply tap on their account, or also you can tap here, and if you tap start button, then it takes 2 coins. You can see it's your contact number, and also you can see it's your profile page.